My name is Kirtisri. I am studying in second class. My project name is National Symbols of India. National Anthem, Janagana Mana, National Flag, Tiranga, National Currency, Rupee, National Aquatic Animal, Dolphin, National Emblem of India, National River, Ganga, National Tree, Banyan Tree, National Flower, Lotus, National Game, Hockey, National Animal, Bengal Tiger, National Vegetable, Pumpkin, National Song, Vande Mataram. Thank you.